Welcome back to the Soul Tribe and to this meditation session to ease that feeling of being overwhelmed. The world we're living in means it's so easy to let things get on top of us, to feel overwhelmed and suffer from burnout. Hopefully this short time for some inner peace will leave you feeling a little more at ease. So take a seat and settle in, your posture tall and your gaze relaxed, eventually closing your eyes. Let the muscles in your forehead soften, your tongue resting at the roof of your mouth, leaving any stress outside the door. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel yourself slow down and become more at peace with the day. And if your focus has been brought to other things, let this remind you to bring it back to your breathing, taking this time for you. A lot of things in our lives all happening at once can feel like they're piling up on top of us with no real light at the end of the tunnel. The easy to remember self-compassion tool we'll be using today is the acronym RAIN. It has 4 simple steps. Step 1, the letter R, stands for recognizing what is going on. Why do you feel overwhelmed at the moment? Are you overworked? Are your friends leaning on you a lot? Only when we recognize what is happening to us are we able to take steps towards freeing ourselves. Take the next few moments to recognize what is making you feel overwhelmed at the moment. Step 2, the letter A, stands for allowing the experience to be there. Sit with it for a while and continue breathing deeply. Allow any emotions to surface. Pause and relax any resistance you may be feeling. And as you continue to breathe in deeply and exhale slowly, the third step is the letter I, which stands for investigate. It's time to use our natural curiosity to investigate with kindness what has been making us feel overwhelmed. Allowing the experience just makes us ask ourselves what is happening to us and inside of us. But investigating with kindness means we ask more questions to really understand the why. What is needing more attention from you at the moment? How are you feeling this overwhelm in your body? Can anything on your to-do list wait for a later date? When we give ourselves compassion and look into the why of our emotions, that's when we can begin to think more clearly. The final step of the RAIN acronym is the letter N, which stands for Nurture with Loving Compassion. When we recognize that we are suffering, self-compassion begins to naturally arise. Try to see what need inside of you requires attention first, and what the best act of compassion would be for this need. Do you need forgiveness, reassurance, companionship? Think about what self-care you can give to yourself and nurture yourself through these times when emotions overwhelm you. The smallest gesture of love towards yourself will nourish your heart. Take the next few breaths to think of some small acts of kindness you can start to do to ease the experience of feeling overwhelmed. And as we come to the end of this meditation, bring yourself back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for taking the time to practice with us today, and for using this session to pause and take action to overcome the feeling of being overwhelmed. Remember, you can always come back to the RAIN of self-compassion whenever you feel the need. Don't forget to like and share this video and to subscribe to our channel for more. We look forward to welcoming you back to the Soul Tribe soon.